Good evening. My name is Candy O'Hara, and I'm going to discuss devices to keep dementia patients safe, the GPS Smart Soul. What is the GPS Smart Soul? GPS Smart Soul is a GPS tracking device that is can be hidden within an insole of someone's shoe, and it is tracked by phone or computer. It uses regular cell towers, so nothing special has to be done, and there are many different plans that are explained on on the slides later. It's a discrete GPS so that it isn't seen by other people, and the person can actually forget they're wearing it if they know they have it on at all. Advantages to this sort of GPS is that it's a fraction of the cost of a long-term lockdown facility, which is where we often put our demented Alzheimer's people because they're safer there. This device promotes their independence by allowing them to stay home longer and being able to go to the store on their own or just wander around the yard or the neighborhood that they're so used to living in and being able to see. But it also ensures their loved ones that they are safe and that they are easily found if they have come up missing. Here on this slide there is a video created by the individuals who developed GTX Core and all these different devices. It's a very interesting video you should watch. And then there's also a picture here that shows how the device can be hidden in the shoes and what it looks like. GTX Core, where are you? How many times have we asked this question of our families and loved ones? Where are you? What are you doing? Well, what if they can't answer? What if you're confused? What if you don't know where you are? That's where these GPS souls come in handy. You have a two-way GPS device, which can be used so that the person who's wearing it can also get a hold of their loved ones, as well as their loved ones can map them without them knowing, hence the continuous and real-time coordinates on a map. It has two different mobile apps that are into the devices that can be used. One is called the GPS device, obviously, and the other one is the TMWF, which is a workforce track app so that you can keep track of people. They come in all different shapes and sizes and kinds of devices. Not only are they the insoles, but they have headbands and belts and different things like that, so you can use those on your teens and children, as well as your adults if necessary. Here on this one, there's a graph that shows what the GTX Core has done since their creation in 2002. In 2004, they got their first patent, and by 2017, they had 85 patents out, and some other things on the back burner still coming out. By 2008, they joined the stock market's public exchange. This is a huge step for any company. 2009, they were on the top 25 of iTunes downloaded apps. In 2011, they were called one of the top 100 inventors. And in 2012, they were named in the Entrepreneurs Magazine's list of 100 brilliant companies. 2013, they launched one of their TMWF app. And in 2014, they launched the GPS Smart Soul. By 2016, they were distributing all over Europe. This company has been highly regarded by both the medical community as well as the technology community. The Autism Association, George Mason University, AARP, and CTI Wearable Technologies are examples of both the medical and the technical communities that have endorsed and support these shoes and other devices that have helped. There's very little that they can think of that is not helpful when it comes to these devices. In conclusion, safety should always be our first concern for our loved ones and our patients. These devices safely and provides safety and independence for both of our loved ones and ourselves. Lives have been saved because of these devices. Yes, there is some downsides, such as tracking our teens when they're just being teens, but for using it for people who have healthcare issues, such as autism and dementia and other mental disabilities, this is a great device to keep track and to know that they're safe and well off, but yet they're still slightly independent. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have a great evening.